Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of luxury writing instruments with the TAG Submarine Brass Fountain Pen, a masterpiece of design and functionality inspired by the sleek elegance of submarines. This pen combines style, precision, and quiet strength, making every stroke smooth and effortless, thanks to its streamlined form that reflects underwater fluidity. With its innovative turbo filling system, refilling is a breeze. Simply dip, turn, and refill without disassembly, thanks to a clever gear mechanism that drives the turbine knob and internal ink converter. The solid brass body offers a steady grip, while the German-made Schmidt nib ensures precision and smooth flow, transforming every writing moment into a symbol of refined performance. Whether you're capturing ideas or signing important documents, the TAG Submarine Pen blends timeless quality with contemporary elegance, making it a perfect gift for collectors and professionals alike. Since 2011, TAG has earned 32 international design awards, and with this pen, you can elevate your writing experience to new depths of elegance and innovation. Discover the TAG Submarine Collection and turn every writing moment into a refined expression of style and purpose. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.